So as all of us know, in order to keep our AAPC membership and also in order to keep our AAPC certifications, we need to have CEUs. These CEUs will be depends on the certification. For few CEUs, you need to have 36 CEUs. For few certifications, you need to have 72 CEUs, where you need to attend APC's local chapter webinars and you need to obtain these free CEUs. In order to help the coders who all are spread all over the world, I am creating this video to get free APC CEU webinar. If anyone looking for APC's local chapter webinar links for free CEUs, here you don't need to spend any money. If you attend these chapter webinars freely, you will get CEUs. And also if anyone looking for medical coding jobs in India, USA, UAE, join in our WhatsApp group. Group link is in the description of this video. On January 18th, Chennai AAPC local chapter is conducting 2 free CEUs webinars. It will start at 10 a.m. and ends at 10 p.m. IST. Here the speaker is Umar Sharif, CPC, COAC. So what is the topic here? Decoding HIDIS 2025, understanding key changes and their implications. So what is HIDIS? So HIDIS is a tool which will measure the performance and quality of the health plans. So in this session, we are going to learn latest updates related to this HIDIS 2025. So I will keep registration link in the description of this video. So if anyone looking for free AAPC CEUs, you can join this session on Saturday 18 January 2025. Thanks for visiting our channel. If anyone looking for same day surgery coding training, please send WhatsApp message to 707-526-3939. If you like this session and if you want to have more information like this, please subscribe to our channel and please click on like button.